I'm going to show you how you can save the replay of a match in Rocket League. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So all you need to do is go to your profile and then go to the match history, and right here it will show the last 20 online matches from the past 30 days. So just go to the match where you want to download the replay. Let's say it's this one, so just click it and click on save replay. Now you can enter a new title for this replay. So let's say, for example, a good play. Click OK, and it will take a few seconds to save. Now we can click here and watch replay, or you can go to the saved replays to see all your replays. So just click on the one you want to watch and click on watch replay. In my case, I don't want this one, so I'm going to delete it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.